The lower guard is the plastic portion of the blade guard. Because it is made of plastic, it is the most common part of the blade guard to become damaged. The guard can crack or break if it is struck by a workpiece, or in the event of a serious kickback. The saw should not be used with a damaged or broken blade guard. Replacing the lower guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old lower guard from the saw. Next, I'll remove the bumpers from the old guard. I'll pry them away from the guard, being careful to not lose the retainer. Now I'll install the new guard. First, I'll replace the bumpers. Place the bumper over the post, place the retainer onto the post, and I'll tap the retainer into place using a socket and mallet. And I'll reinstall the lower guard onto the guard plate. And that's how easy it is to install a new lower guard on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.